Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. Today I'm here for another unboxing video. And yes, it is again another Kaweco pen. And I have here my trusty Victorinox knife to open this package. And so this is a package that I received from Cult Pens. I bought their exclusive Kaweco, and that is what I am going to show you now, so you can see my purchase. Okay, so this is the invoice. Let's put it aside, and here we have the Kaweco from Cult Pens, and this edition is called the Transparent Silver. Let me just, okay, I was just checking the exposure. I think it's okay. So it comes inside this plastic, but in this cardboard silver colored box. But before, I just want to show you, because it's just no secret, I just wanted to show you the other thing I bought, because I can't find it here in Portugal in the art supply stores. This is not fountain pen related, but I bought these magic Kohinoor LEDs, and they are fun because they have lots of colors in each LED, and you can't really predict which color you will find. And so it's an interesting item. I like it, and I use it here in my Kohinoor mechanical pencil. So you can see, you can never expect what you'll get, so it's fun. And this is the magic pencil for these LEDs. You can use it wherever you want, but I got this one a few years ago in Czech Republic. Now let's see the pen, and I will zoom in just a little bit. So let's come back to this. This is the Kaweco Transparent Silver Special Edition or Exclusive Edition for Cult Pens. Cult Pens made several special editions of Kaweco pens, and this is another one. So this looks a little bit gray. Maybe someday I'll make a review of it, comparing it with some other pens. I brought here some to the table, but maybe I should have brought some more, because you can see this is more on the silver side. On the gray side, it's not as transparent as I was waiting for. So basically this is a Kaweco Skyline Sport, which means it has silver or chrome trim. It says Cult Pens on one facet and Kaweco Sport on the opposite facet. Then you unscrew and you have a regular Kaweco Sport pen. This one comes with an F nib, steel nib, and with a blue cartridge, royal blue cartridge, which is what usually comes inside Kaweco pen. So this is how it looks. Now I want to show you, why is the focus not working? Okay, so I want to show you how it really looks. I will really make another video later where I will make a review of this pen. I have to see if it's still available on their website, but I'll have to make this review so I can compare it with some other pens, and I have a menu that may be a good comparison. So let me bring another light here to the table, and just let me adjust this, move this a little bit upwards, and I will shine the light through the cap, and you can see it is a little bit transparent, and you have glitter on it. So it's kind of a frosted look with silver glitter. That's what the pen is. This pen costs around 34 euros, and of course I could not miss this pen and I had to buy it. But I guess you already know that I'm completely crazy about Kaweco pens. So let me just make some color comparisons, because I know that may be useful. Where is that light? Just to have it here to compare several transparencies. I'll take the cartridge out so you can really see how this looks. So maybe if I try to dim the light a little bit, you'll see that's how it looks. Where is the light? Okay, so this is the Cult Pens have made several Kaweco pens. I think I will just increase the exposure a little bit. Okay, Cult Pens has made several Kaweco pens, and one that is the most comparable one is this one, which is the transparent gold, which is last year's version of this pen. And you can see it's almost the same thing. This is kind of a grayish color with silver glitter, and this one is kind of a cognac color with, oops, sorry, I'm just being clumsy. Let me try to put them like this. So, and this is like a cognac color with gold glitter. So you can see, it looks like the gold colored glitter is smaller, the speckles are smaller than the silver one, but I'm not completely sure of that. So this is the older edition, the gold transparent, which has gold trim, so it's a classic sport. This is a Skyline Sport. Just for kind of a comparison. So here we have them. Here I have another kind of a whitish translucent pen, which is the, I think you can see the translucency there. Through the light that's coming here from this side. So this pen is the Kaweco Art Sport Alabaster Generation 2. This is the Kaweco Art Sport Mineral White from Generation 4. And I think I can take the cartridge out so it's easier to see. This is basically the same color as the Alabaster, but it has some different characteristics. I have here the Kaweco Skyline Sport White, which is just a plain white and it's not translucent at all. I have the Iridescent Pearl, which is a very, very nice pen, very nice color, and I would put it here. I have the Kaweco Frosted Sport Natural Coconut, which I think it's a very nice color also, and maybe I would put it here in this evolution of pens. And I have the Kaweco Classic Sport Transparent or Demonstrator, and I can put it here. So this one is completely transparent, as you can see. It has the Kaweco converter. This has the glitter that I showed you, some translucency. This is also a little bit translucent, and this is also translucent, the coconut. So here you have, this is the overview of the Cult Pens Skyline Sport Transparent Silver. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back, I hope, soon for some more videos about Kaweco and other pens. So see you next time. Bye.